Nalijay, parang ang muli mag-present at like at 5 pages. Siya po 20 pages. Okay. So let us start by greeting everyone for today's occasion. And thank you, Crisanta, for very kind introduction. Our division superintendent, Dr. Joan Lopez. Our school principal, Mr. Manolito L. Peña, sir. Our teachers and admins, guests, friends, parents, my family, and most importantly, our graduating students or our completers, junior completers for this moving up ceremony of Burgos National High School, where we celebrate the achievements of the class of 2025. Kablawak mo, kagitay classmate ko na nakita dito. Classmate ko with the year batch 2001. Dito tayo paggraduaran. Siya kadanak ko lang din the elementary. So, this year's ceremony is under the theme, Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay ng Bagong Pilipinas. It's a strong call to action for communities, educators, and students to unite in creating a more promising future. Young people like you and their students have the ability and the power to change the world for the better through education, leadership, and social inclusion. Sabi ng tema, kaagapay or partner. Kayo ang kaagapay namin. O kami na katatanda or the older generations, ang kaagapay ninyo sa anuman ang iyong gustong tahakin sa buhay. Kami ay nandito lamang sa inyong tabi, sa hirap man yan o sa tagumpay. On time today is graduation day o pagtatapos. Panagtapos na ko na tayo. Your journey as a student does not end here. Rather, it marks the start of a new chapter in your higher education. Adanto pa senior high school and college. So 11 years sinampas yun, adanto pa 6 years na panagbasa tayo. As a student, you will still have a lot of adventures and many challenges to encounter throughout your life. Dinated in elementary tayo, kanya pa naman munti sa mga problema niya. Kanya pa naman munti reklamo. Ilang high school ngayon, nagigil kadalasan na reklamo yun. Basit si pabala ni nanang nyo, basit si allowance, nagigil pa po ang pranisor, hindi ba? So, nata high school ngayon, medyo mo tayo sa mga problema. So, what I'm saying is, habang ng mga dito edukasyon, mga tumod responsibilidad yung na estudyante. Umad-ado dumaktakon mo responsibilidad na itinagad na kada kayo. Yes, it is the responsibility of your parents to send you to school. But it is your also responsibility to study well and make them proud. We completely understand that being a student is definitely challenging. The assignments, exams, projects, and we know it's hard. But we can guarantee you one thing. May isa lang may assure me na kayo anak me. After all your hardships, when all your dreams come true, you will be the happiest in the end. Looking back in my high school days, ang mga ading, pagkapulak mo, tinaligamit niya panagbiyak. Hantali ka nabaknan. Pero hindi ka ipahiya. Ipatang ko, manalon, limamang ko, play na housewife, mapampaisunan, italtaron. In high school na, naragsak na ko, na 20 pesos na balong ko. Baka di ka rin katapad yung pagkat na balong na nun niya. Gusto parents? Kaya ito siguro po 100 kung may isang down. So pag-predict, isa ka pulo, pag-predict, kung may basa, kung nagawin, 10 pesos, pag lady. Kaya pinakabsat ko, siya pinodi. Gatong pinalikan tibiyag, siya klaeng pinakaragpag di college. The parents ko, elementary level na. Dahil pinakabsat ko, pati kadalang di fourth year high school. Nag-isang pa'y handang na pinagbasa di college, tapos nung walang papatakanin, naan na makabasa di koleyo. Kaya pagkalalang, dyan sa kamarong ko, tayo sunod ng ipursigido, nagbasa na di koleyo. Kuna na, pagbasahin tayo ni adik di koleyo, barang isang tour di agbalin. Simulang tuligang na nagbasa, kay Adon Maling-Ed, Adon Marigat, Adon Mabanwag, Adon Masakripisyo, dahil tinagal na, tintaay, tinagal na ang tumanyag, tapos pagturbos na kain, di koleyo. And I am so proud of them. I am so proud of them. I am so proud of my parents na nagbalay na nagpabasa kanya. Isa na nagbalay din. Palaksidan kanya. My success today is solely a testament of my individual efforts. But it's a shared victory, a combination of the unwavering support and sacrifices made by my family. They believe in me, the encouragement throughout difficult times, and their constant presence have been the foundation of my success. My journey demonstrates that with determination, perseverance, and with supportive family, even the most difficult challenges can be overcome. It's a story of hard work, unwavering support, self-belief, and the power of embracing opportunities, proving that a lack of resources is not a prediction of failure, but rather an inspiration of success and fulfillment. In short, I am a living proof that being impoverished or poor does not prevent us from pursuing our goals and dreams in life. I'd like to share with you 5 things that I've used on my journey and encourage you to use them as well. First, dream. I believe that everyone of you have dreams. Sino ba naging dreams sa kanya dito? At aanin. Very good. Ang pangarap ay libre. Awan bagad na. Negos. So sino ba na ito ay gusto kong balik ng teacher in the future? Awan? Awan ka na kayo na teacher na sabi ni mga kinsan? Wala na. Ayaw ka balik na teacher. Ang mga engineer. Wow. Alam ka mga engineers kayo. Ang balik na police. Ano dyan? Dali may isa. Ang balik na social worker. Kasama niya. Ang lahat. Ang nakakayat. So, sino kaya na balik na politika? Ay, wow. So, mga nyo, di ba? May santo ka na kayo tagbalik ang gobernador to Mayor. May santo ka na kayo tagbalik na Mayor. Yung Vice Mayor. Yan. Okay. So, dreams are free. This encourages you to envision your perfect future. But you must keep those dreams in your heart. Ikatuloy, personal na naman na kapaap yung itibiyag. Why? Because simply dreaming is not enough. Anong dasang nakaganapaang talong. Yeah? You have to embrace, nurture, and motivate yourself to make them a reality. Again, sumula na, di high school na, ang may ako tunggal manong, nagalit na, nagpulitis ka na, makatanong lang kaya ako di munisipyo, magkikita kinilip di munisipyo, kung ang tibagin kaya ito, nagtrabaho kita, ang trabaho ng kita, walang tibagin. Ay nagwa, believe in yourself and don't afraid to fail. Dapat magkaroon kayo ng tiwala sa inyong mga sarili. Kung magkamali man kayo, sumubok kayo ulit. Sumubok ulit. Bring out the best in yourself, which forces you to recognize your potential, cultivate your strengths, overcome your weaknesses, and strive for your personal growth. Do not afraid to fail, because because failure is a learning opportunity. Si failure, ang dati wa, kabala, natin na tayong capacity na side na. Una, matututo ka, makasusunod ka. May kagwa, nuhaan man, na may touch ka lang mo, o nuhaan man, na wala mo kanyang sitwasyon, at talagang pintas, ay pahay na kanyang. So third, enjoy. Mag-enjoy kayo. Enjoy your journey. Alam ko na magiging challenging ang susunod ninyong kakaharapin bilang mag-aaral, pero mag-enjoy pa rin kayo. Mag-enjoy kayo ba siya? Ha? Naansa? Mag-enjoy kayo ba siya? Yes! Bakit kailangan mag-enjoy? Dahil pag mag-enjoy ka, syempre, nalagsak ka. Di ba? Alam mo po, pag nag-enjoy tayo sa ginagawa natin, hindi natin mararamdaman yung pagod. Ano ka malit na dirigan? Right? Kasi masaya kayo. At mahal ninyo yung ginagawa ninyo. Hindi yung mag-enjoy ka dahil may girlfriend at boyfriend ka. So, may girlfriend na ka na dito yun. Sino? Ano daw ang mami? Sino may girlfriend na ka na yun? Girlfriend! Kamalpay! Siyempre, ano ang mami? Siyempre, ano ang mami? Parents, sa mga yung pati, anak nyo ka girlfriend dan? Awan. Okay, very good. So, fourth, patience or anos. Pero hindi ka na yan, nagpala kanya, nagitinan na ng takto, di siya nagbasbasa. Agan-anos ka na ko, kung ano di maay-paay ni kanyang, kamungin, kung kasano tiligan, tigang. Ano sa tiyagbasa, bagturahin ng mga tupos ka. Yes, agan-anos ka, noon nga, kaya kaipaay, tinagan ako. I never complain. Anak na nag-complain, apay nagliganti pa nagdiagtalo. So, I got to try to be. Agan-anos ka yan, noon nga, diagdamay pa ay tinagan ako. Then, very hard. Papati yung tiyagbasa, pagpatan ti arapahan mo, tayo si Katuwit at pamilya, hanong to na kaibagatan ang anos karakter noon nga, tinahit ko. Kasi you have all the needs na to. Kunada ka rin, tinaalas, sir, tinakabuod. Pag naswerte, hindi yung bigat ang daan. Handa ka problema. Handa ka problema, nagtipagpabasa kasi daan. Okay? Dapat na ano masalanan, nagitang opportunity na dapat na kayo. And fifth, pray. Sipagkakalaan ka na dito, isang kailangan mo. Awan? Ay, sa dami. Yes, pray. Pero in university and college, ito na yung pinakamahirap. So, ano na ito'y high schools, junior high school, senior high school, tinaligan. Tinaligan ng partela, ito makagandra pa lang ito koleyo. Apay, nagbigan, ti trabaho. Well, nagbigan, ti trabaho. Tatayo natin, mga natin katarapin, kinapin, kaya makasal na kumain dyan munisipyo. Dahil yung iso talaga ito, ipipigrin ko, di makasal ng trabaho dyan munisipyo. So yung 2005, after nag-galing sa nag-volunteer ng munisipyo, to make the story short, 2011 na lang talaga nakaserve as casual employee. So nag-exam na rin, panakasal na rin dyan munisipyo. But God gave me more than what I asked for Him. Because I never dreamed of becoming the head of the Municipal Social Welfare and Development Office. But He gave it to me. And I'm so grateful to the Lord. I would like also to congratulate all the parents here today. Okay, kabay mga parents. Nakay ko na makatulong. So your love, guidance, and sacrifices to your children have made this day possible. As your children embark on this exciting new chapter, know that your continued support will be invaluable. We celebrate not only your achievements, but also your tireless commitment to the education and well-being. Ang nagitubig, basbasa. To my former school, or my alma mater, Brothers National High School, I truly appreciate you. Kaya dahil ang pag-adalan, tagot improvements na, kaya produkto na nagbalin ng professionals. And this is all because of our dear faculty teachers and admins at the Dolan, Tinalutang, Principal tayo, Sir Manolito Peña. Ikatalaga natin palakpak, naging teachers at workers in African High School. To my former teachers here in Brothers National High School, and I would like to mention Ma'am Richie Barcelona Bello, my advisor in first year high school. My advisor in second year high school, Ma'am Virginia Soberano. My advisor in third year, Ma'am Ines Vitales. My advisor in third year high school, Sir Mario Galimban, Mamayawan Daitan Taytoy. Ma'am Elisa, ito balik tayo na sa Kapit Elementary, high school na, sorry. Ma'am Elisa Calitrava, Ma'am Yutrapia Kadali, Ma'am Araceli Cabrusca, Ma'am Stephanie Akbar, Stephanie Kubar, Sir Junior Tabi, Sir Renato Buking. Hi, Sir Renato Buking, sir. Hello. Ma'am Tracy Duwenden. And Sir Raymond Cabanting. And then the Principal, Sir Liberato Gatman. Ma'am and sirs, I want to express my sincere gratitude for your guidance and support during my time at Burgos National High School. And I am forever grateful for the knowledge and skill you imparted. Agyaman ako na ma'am and sir. My dear junior completers, congratulations. Your hard work and dedication have paid off. As we celebrate this achievement, then we also remember the lessons learned, the friendships made, the experience gained, and the teachers who guided you. You are a debt of gratitude to your families who have supported you every step of the way, and to your teachers who have instilled in you the knowledge and skill you need to success. You are the heart of our nation, and we will support you, empower you, and watch you build a brighter tomorrow. Let us share the spirit of Brothers National High School with us, a spirit of resilience, determination, and thirst for knowledge as we embark on the next chapter of your life. Lastly, ituloy naman, DJ,